just think about it. Ooh, oh. Oh, Lord, is there nothing more anybody can do? Oh, Lord, there must be something you can say. You can tell from the lines on her face. You can see that she's been there, probably been moved on from every place, 'cause she didn't fit in there.